YouTube? It's your boy LJ coming in for another video. Alright, today's video, what we got going on today is an MKZ swap. Swapping out my old full fusion cluster to an MKZ cluster. I know you've probably seen some people do this on the Fusion Foes page. If you're not a Foe member, you're missing out. You are definitely missing out. Oh, October the 3rd, 3 o'clock, Morrisville. You're going to want to be there. But, alright, back to the cluster. I hit my boy Robert up. I'm going to tag his Facebook down low in the description. Hit him up if you want one of these. They are $6.99. And when you go hit him up, make sure you tell him you watched my video. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, here we go. Here go the cluster. This is all digital. The only thing that's not digital is the RPM and the speed, but the hands is what I like. The hands is digital. Everything else is digital. I have the one now where it's just the one in the middle. That's it. So I bought this from him to spice up my car, to give me a different feel, to make it feel like a newer car to me. Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to install it. Okay, there's 3 options when you buy one of these clusters from him. Okay, you probably was wondering, how do you get your mileage reading off of your old speedometer? Okay, he gave me 3 options. Option number 1, either I could have let my car sit here the whole time and let him do the mileage at his house. So that way the mileage that I had on my old speedometer and my new one would be the same. Option number 2, I could calculate how many miles I drove until I received my new one and just let him know, we add up together how many miles that I would have when I got the new one. Or option number 3, I did number 3. Number 3, he introduced me to foreskin. I never used it before. I was a little bit intimidated, but that is why I had to order an OBD reader. They got one specifically for foreskin, where you plug up to your laptop and you plug it in down here under your dashboard, and you go on your computer and you can do your mileage yourself. And he is a great guy. He will talk you every step of the way. This dude knows what he's talking about. I've never used it before in my life. At first I was scared, but he walked me every step of the way and got me all squared away. Alright, now we're about to get into the install. Alright, you're going to make sure you have your steering wheel in the down position. And you're going to grab right here on both sides, and you're going to just pop this down. And it's not going to drop. It's just going to hang right there. And from here you have 2 bolts right here on this side. They're 7mm bolts. So we're just going to take those out real quick. Got my socket right here. Take those 2 bolts out. And then you're going to pop out where you're turning your headlights at. You're going to just let that hang there. And there's a bolt right here along the column that you can't miss. So you're just going to take that one out right here. Alright, that's all the bolts for this side. So you have one over here on this side, as you can see right here beside the steering wheel column. You're gonna put your socket on there. Whoa. Now you got all the bolts out at the bottom, so you're gonna pull up right here. This does not come off the centerpiece, it just comes up and slides back. So now you can take this trim part out. It's just some push pins because you done took the bolts out. So you're just gonna pull it, and it should pop right out. Bam. Now you have some bolts holding in your speedometer, which is right here. You're gonna take those bolts out next. You're gonna have 2 at the top, right up here. Boom. Now you're ready to just pull the cluster itself out. There's only one plug-in at the back. You just press down on the tab and pull it out. plug in. And now I'm just gonna sit this in there, make sure our holes line up. All right, everything's back where it's at, and you're just gonna repeat those steps to put this one in. When you put the new one in, that's where you would do your forescan at to put your new mileage, your old mileage, onto your new cluster. And then you'll just turn your car in your own position, bring your laptop out. You don't have to have Wi-Fi for this part. Just load up the app on your laptop and just get started. Alright, let's fire this thing up and see what it looks like. Alright, I noticed before I didn't have, let's see, okay, it's got a tire pressure monitor. See, I didn't have all that right there before. And I like how everything now, I can put the speed as digital, also have the numbers up there. But yeah, I love this one. I like this one a whole lot better than my factory OEM one. So, if you got a Fusion out there, the MKZ swap is the way to go if you want that new feel. It even changed the sound of the door chime. It sounds more classier now. But that's it. And that was only like maybe like 20 minutes top. So hit my boy Robert up. He's a great guy, legendary guy. Like, I've never met no one as genuine as him. Anytime I call, he answers. Anytime I hit him up, he texts me right back. And I ordered this on a Monday. Today is only Thursday. So by the time you watch the video, it'll probably be Saturday or Sunday. But he got it to me in like a 4-day time span. Like, it was like fast turnaround. So hit him up, tell him you watched my video. It's your boy LJ, and I'm out. Peace.